In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link. Whether you're setting up an important meeting for work or organizing a virtual catch-up with friends, having the ability to create a meeting link quickly and efficiently is essential. So let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Google Meet homepage. You can do this by either entering meet.google.com into the address bar or by selecting the Google Meet option from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll notice a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that button. You'll be presented with a few options for creating your meeting. Let's explore the first way of creating a meeting. Click on Create a Meeting for Later. This option is useful when you want to set up a meeting in advance and share the link with your participants ahead of time. Once you select this option, Google Meet will generate a meeting link for you. You can then click on Copy Link to add this link to an email, calendar invitation, or anywhere else where you need to share it. After you've copied the link, you can close this window by clicking on the X. Now, let's explore another way to create a meeting link. Click on New Meeting once again, and this time choose Start an Instant Meeting. This is perfect for impromptu discussions, or if you suddenly need to assemble a team. When the meeting starts, you'll see an option to copy link in your meeting interface. Again, you can share this link with participants as needed, and once the meeting has concluded, end the call by clicking on End Call. Finally, let's look at the third method, which is really helpful for scheduling meetings in advance. Again, click on New Meeting, but this time choose Schedule in Google Calendar. This option will open your Google Calendar in a new tab. Here, you can select the date and time for your meeting. It's important to provide all the details about your meeting here, such as the agenda, participants, and any other relevant information. After you've entered all the necessary information, click on Save to finalize your scheduled meeting. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to create a Google Meet link. Whether you're scheduling in advance or starting a meeting on the fly, Google Meet makes it easy to bring people together with just a few clicks. Remember to always check your internet connection and device settings before the meeting begins to ensure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your virtual connection process seamless and efficient.